All right, gang. From our friends at Bloom and Bloom, we've got the anti-slip nose pads designed for your glasses. Now, I actually picked these up for a set of my sunglasses, but those are in my car. So I'm gonna just show you with my son's anti-glare glasses that he uses for video games or something, I don't know. It's a pretty simple concept, these. They might be a little harder to see on the screen, but these pads here, they're sticky on one side and it's a rubberized pad, are designed to go into the nose bridge of your glass. They're cut in a fashion to where you can just peel, stick, press, and hold. This is a 12 pack that I have here. I've got their 12 pack here. Got their 12 pack here. Makes it nice and simple so you can do 6 pairs of glasses. Peel, stick, press, hold, and voila! Your glasses become a little bit more padded. They don't slide off as easy if you're sweating, if you're outside. They stick to your face, the bridge of your nose, and they're a lot more comfortable. Overall, simple product, easy to use, huge upgrade. Well worth it in my opinion. If you wear a lot of glasses, whether they're reading glasses, whether they're corrective, whether they're just sunglasses or anti-glare glasses like my son has, and if they're a little bit uncomfortable, if they're constantly sliding off of your face, check these out. Easy way for you to fix that problem. I think you're gonna love them.